Alrighty, we have a construction update for you guys today. We're going to cover everything. These might start to become a little more frequent due to a lot of the work going on inside the park. As you can tell here, based off of first analysis, the gold paint has started to go on to Daredeviler. So, the Daredeviler, sorry. So that's awesome. I actually really do like the color scheme the park has picked. I think it's going to look amazing. I like that forest green for the supports and the gold. And I'm even hearing, okay, and please take this with a grain of salt because we don't always get it right. But we are hearing that there could be, the jet could go away, and there could be that piece you see in the artwork for the ride coming to Daredeviler. And if that happens, that's going to look sick. And what I would really like to see them do with that fighter jet is use it in the zombie scare zone because it has that military base kind of setup. I think that would be awesome. So if they were going to utilize that fighter jet somewhere else, a cool place to utilize it would be the zombie scare zone or maybe somewhere else in the park. Who knows? But I think that would be awesome. A lot of work. So this was filmed on Saturday. A lot of work going on with Flight Deck and its upgrades. Which is great. Like, I if I had to make a prediction, I would say opening sometime in June. But we could see it, open earlier if they're quick with the progress. But based off of what we're seeing, I'm still probably going to estimate a June opening if we're lucky. But as you can tell, the green supports throughout the ride are starting to get painted. And it's a big team. That team right there, they're on break right now. But it's a very big team in terms of painting this pretty small, compact ride. So I suspect we could see this ride, like I said in a previous video, done its paint job in about a week or two total time. Outside of that, the park is doing upgrades throughout. A lot of rides were testing today. So I believe Dragonfire was testing, Spinovator was testing. I do have testing footage at the end of this video for you guys. I'm just going to incorporate it all into one big update today. So Spinovator, Riptide, Dragonfire, there's probably more than this too. Yukon Striker. Alpine Fury wasn't testing today. If I had to suspect, it's probably going to test next weekend, but we'll keep you guys posted. Outside of that, I'm missing one. Silver Streak in Kidsville. That's what I saw today testing. Obviously, there's a lot of other smaller flat rides or kids rides testing. But no one cares. Outside of that, again, what we've been talking about is Flight Deck has just received a ton of electrical upgrades, all new components, all new lift chain for the lift hill. I can't wait to see what they do with the hangars in the queue line. Are they going to theme them? Are they going to paint them? Over in the Kingswood area, no further demolition has taken place yet. But the park has confirmed with us that this has been something that was going to happen. They have no further comment to make about Kingswood at this time, other than, it's getting demolished. And so obviously, we know, or we think we know, we'll use the we think we know, that, we saw surveyors 3 to 4 years ago surveying the land. We saw Time Warp get removed, and then now we're seeing Kingswood be removed. Not the tent yet. Again, we'll see signs of that. They'll be emptying out the tent area when we know that tent is going to come down. And then if we see that tent come down, that's when we can really start to be like, okay, something big is coming to this area. But right now, we just see them removing the history aspects, like the front gates to Kingswood. And that's still a little educational storage building that they use for educational events or group events. And currently storing Christmas trees is still there, which was kind of a new build. And then Kingswood tent as well. So that's where we'll be keeping our eyes. Are they emptying Kingswood? Once we see them empty Kingswood, that's the telltale sign. That's when you really know. So I'm going to keep my prediction to 2028 for now. If we start to see them empty Kingswood anytime soon, we could maybe still suspect that 2027 is a possibility. But I do want to add that the land prep for this area, it's probably about a year's work to land prep it in its current state. Outside of that, here's Yukon testing. Again, Spinovator, Riptide, Dragonfire, Silver Streak, all that will be here. So I'm just going to stop talking right now. And thank you for watching our updates, and we'll have more for you guys. We'll start to keep them more frequent. as they're working on weekends even now. So that's pretty crazy. Thanks so much, guys. Have a good one. Bye.